Okay. Um, how do I share screen? Which screen do I share?
No, you don't have to just record and make sure you're sharing to the. Are you in?
No.
Can you join?
How?
On our Discord. Looks like audio or something.
Oh yeah, you see. Yeah.
I'll make you host and make sure you're muted.
Whoopsies. How? This not been.
The screen, yeah, share screen. Sure. That's fine.
Okay, good. Okay. Oh, forgot to press record just now. Summary. Do I have my mute? Okay, yeah. Basically, summary for people watching online. Um, we are right now we finished updating like the internal state of the board for like a click. And we also just started like handling a user's click. We created a function that handles a user click, and we are halfway through like updating the board's locations based on the click that's happened. You can follow up the the worksheet till like the section handling user inputs. Right. So back to where I was. Yeah. So making a move. Um, another like pretty basic rule in chess is that you cannot capture your own piece. So we can make like a basic check over here. So like a if there is a piece in destination and the destination's piece color is our own color. Yep, it's our own color. We just don't do anything, we just return. So that we don't actually capture our own piece. But yeah. And then after, if that's not the case, then we can actually move our piece. So self.chessboard dot move from P1 to P2. Okay. And then there's another function called highlight. Highlight is just highlighting the bunch of cells that we want to highlight. And in this case, it's just one position. So this is none or yeah. So to highlight the position of the piece that's actually being clicked, we actually need to make sure that there is a piece at that position first. So if the piece is none, so if there's nothing at the chessboard at position pause, we'll just return and do nothing. Yeah. And we can also once again do like another check to check if it's actually the player's turn. So chessboard the player turn. Yeah. Just to make sure that it's actually the correct player making the turn. And if that is the case, we can first set our selected piece to this representation so that we can read it like elsewhere, like here. And then also highlight the position that we have clicked. Okay. So with this, theoretically, when I click run, it should work. More like something should happen. So let's do this. Hello. That's a problem. Let's see. So this is here. I like print piece. Let's see if there's a piece over here. Okay, there's a piece. Oh, is it not being highlighted? No. Mm,
Less pressure. It's not here.
yeah. Okay.
It's a squiggly line. Mean anything. The color earlier. That's not back where you printed the PMP2. I wasn't listening, but
Here.
so, yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is should be fine.
You not need enemy.
Yeah, I don't think so.
No, because like there's like 3 lines of code here, is it?
Yeah, I think I
Yeah.
can do it. Move.
Maybe just this one.
Oh, yeah, that's the problem. Piece this name. Oh, piece no color.
It's not that too.
Let's just do this. Amazing. Registering the wrong thing. Click column. This spot. Yeah.
Look.
Got it. 8 times. Even X, even Y.
I describe them in
Letter notation. Okay, this is none. This is no problem.
It is a problem.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
It's minus. Minus?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try again. This work. Oh god, finally. Non-type has not attribute color. Is not.
That's a pair. Double T. Double T.
Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank God. Phew. Okay. Summary. What was wrong? Here should be destination piece is not none, and so destination piece is none. And then this current row should be 8 minus this thing, because I think tkinter calculates like the row number from the other way around, from top to bottom. And then 8 is just our board size. If you want, you can create a constant for it, but it's just 8. But yeah, that's the main problems.
Will we push on to demo?
Yes, later.
So,
Yeah. Okay. And then, okay, yeah. So if you run this right now, yes, you are moving a piece, but you can see there's like a duplicate piece at the like original position. Now your turn. Yeah, and the the turn is not updated also. You keep getting this like not your turn errors. Yeah, so we need to figure that out as well. Okay. So let's first like prevent the like duplication of pieces part first. So to do that, we need to sort of clear out or refresh the page. Do we have a refresh here? Yeah, we have a refresh here. So you can just basically call that whenever like a second click is made. So here is like the piece is not none. Highlighted. And then just very easily call refresh E and cell dot draw pieces. And then ta-da! The thing is missing here. Okay. Yep. So now you can make a piece move. And then as you can see from earlier, I can move a piece from anywhere to anywhere. This king or this queen can just come and capture this king. So I mean, if you like chess to be played that way, that's cool. But in our next section, we'll be like adding up all the rules to like limiting the moves that a piece can make, so that it like adheres to chess rules. But before that, let's fix this error where like it's saying it's not your turn. If you are piece dot color. Okay, so this is wrong. Why are you wrong? It's a P1. Very important. Wait, can you find out what's wrong? Can you find out what's wrong? I think it's a wrong move. Purple color is none.
I'm the rubber duck.
Okay. Okay.
Trust me, we debug better.
No.
Oh wait, this is an error.
Yeah. This name. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So the error is just this part over here. We gotta add this in. Forgot to add this in. It's in the worksheet as well. But yeah, if piece is none or the piece color is this thing.
Sure, it's better.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Regardless, now that this section is done, you can click a piece, move it to anywhere, and then click a black piece and move it to anywhere as well. You got a white piece and you can move it to anywhere. But you can move it to anywhere. Okay. Yep. So yeah, in our next section, it will be covering like the chess logic as well, and like how to enforce all of these logic and prevent like illegal moves overall. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we'll take maybe just up till 3:10, and we'll start the next one. But we'll do the same thing. We're gonna push this onto demo. If you got lost,
Yeah,
feel free to just pull from there. Or you can try debugging it, because we kind of left hints as to what went wrong.
yeah. So you can come on to demo and same thing, the complete code for part 2. is in demo.